How to add frequently asked questions on Shopify. So first go to your Shopify homepage, then click on Add Apps, then click on Shopify App Store, wait for it to load, and then we're going to look for section store. Okay, now click on this section store here, then click on install. Okay, let's just wait for it to load, and then click on install again. Okay, now that the app is installed, let's click on explore sections. Okay, wait for it to load. Okay, then search for FAQ. Click on the search bar, search for FAQ. Then be careful since some of them are paid, so we're going to use the free one right now for this tutorial. This one, click on this one, and then click on get free section. Okay, now click on add to theme, click on Dawn Live if that's your theme. My theme is Dawn. And then what you need to do next is click on online store. Okay, then click on customize. Next is go to your footer, click on add section. Then as you can see, there's already the FAQ section here. Click on it, and there you have it. You've now added the FAQ section here on your page. Now you can just edit here, edit however you want. For the colors, I think, yep, you can just edit your frequently asked questions, but these are the colors here, and you can add questions or answer here. That's it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next video.